Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today we are checking out 15 helpful daily living products designed to improve comfort, safety, and mobility. From smart support tools to practical care essentials, these picks can make everyday life much easier. Let's get started. Number 1. VOCIC Walkers for Seniors. This sturdy walker provides strong support, smooth mobility, and added safety, helping seniors move around comfortably and confidently every day. It features a lightweight yet durable frame, ergonomic easy grip handles, and smooth rolling wheels for stable movement on different surfaces. The adjustable height ensures a comfortable fit, while the foldable design makes it easy to store and transport, perfect for everyday indoor and outdoor use. Link in the description. Number 2. Drive Medical 2-in-1 Raised Toilet Seat. This raised toilet seat provides extra height and stability, making sitting and standing easier and safer. It features a sturdy design with secure locking clamps and comfortable armrests for added support. Easy to install and clean, it's a practical solution for improving bathroom safety and independence. Number 3. MissSoul Turning Device. This turning device helps caregivers safely reposition patients with less effort and strain. It features a sturdy, ergonomic design with comfortable padding that provides smooth support during turning and movement. The durable, easy-to-clean material makes it ideal for daily home care or medical use, helping improve comfort, safety, and overall caregiving efficiency. Number 4. CINCOM Leg Massager. This leg massager helps improve blood circulation and relieve muscle fatigue with gentle air compression therapy. It features multiple massage modes, adjustable intensity levels, and a comfortable wrap design for a customized experience. Perfect for reducing leg pain, swelling, and everyday tiredness. Number 5. VNN Portable Wheelchair Ramp. This portable wheelchair ramp provides safe and easy access over steps, curbs, and doorways. It features strong, durable aluminum construction with a non-slip textured surface for maximum stability. The foldable design with a built-in handle makes it easy to carry and store, while the secure edge barriers add extra safety. It's perfect for wheelchairs, scooters, walkers, and everyday accessibility needs at home or on the go. Link in the description. Number 6. Ecomobi 4-Wheel Mobility Scooter. The Ecomobi mobility scooter is designed to give seniors safe, smooth, and independent mobility indoors and outdoors. Its sturdy 4-wheel design provides excellent stability, while the comfortable seat and easy controls make everyday travel simple and stress-free. With a long battery range, compact build, and user-friendly features, it's perfect for shopping trips, daily errands, or moving around with confidence. Number 7. OCBAiLi Bed Rails. The OCBAiLi Bed Rails provide strong support and safety, helping prevent falls while getting in and out of bed. With a sturdy frame and easy installation, they are perfect for seniors, patients, or anyone needing extra bedside stability. Designed with a comfortable grip handle and secure straps, this rail adds confidence, independence, and peace of mind for everyday use. Number 8. Darza Narrow Walker with Storage Bag. The Darza Narrow Walker is designed for safe and easy movement in tight spaces like hallways and doorways. It features a lightweight yet sturdy frame, comfortable grip handles, and smooth gliding legs for stable support. The included storage bag lets you conveniently carry personal items while staying mobile and independent. Number 9. KMINA Padded Bathtub Safety Rails. The KMINA bathtub safety rails provide extra stability and support while stepping in and out of the tub. They feature soft padded handles for a secure, comfortable grip and a strong, adjustable clamp for a firm fit. Perfect for improving bathroom safety and reducing the risk of slips and falls. Number 10. Kolbs Bed Wedge Pillow. The Kolbs Bed Wedge Pillow provides comfortable support for your back, neck, and legs while resting or sleeping. Its ergonomic design helps improve posture, reduce acid reflux, and ease breathing. Made with high-density foam and a soft cover, It offers long-lasting comfort for everyday use. Link in the description. Number 11. Homemate Heated Blanket Electric Throw. The Homemate Heated Blanket provides soothing warmth and cozy comfort during cold days and nights. It features soft, plush fabric with multiple heat settings for personalized warmth. Designed with built-in safety protection, it's perfect for relaxing on the couch or staying warm while sleeping. Number 12. Adaptive One-Handed Cutting Board. The Adaptive One-Handed Cutting Board is designed to make food preparation easier and safer. It features stabilizing spikes, corner guards, and a non-slip base to hold food securely in place. Perfect for individuals with limited hand mobility, it helps make cooking more independent and convenient. Number 13. Drive Medical Blue Streak Wheelchair. The Drive Medical Blue Streak Wheelchair offers reliable mobility with a strong yet lightweight frame. It features smooth rolling wheels, comfortable seating, and secure footrests for safe daily use. The foldable design makes it easy to transport and store, providing convenient and dependable support for everyday movement. Number 14. MERACH Under-Desk Elliptical Exercise Machine. The MERACH Under-Desk Elliptical lets you stay active while sitting at home or in the office. It provides smooth, low-impact exercise that helps improve circulation, strengthen leg muscles, and reduce stiffness. With quiet operation and adjustable speed levels, it's perfect for comfortable daily workouts. Link in the Y. Number 15. ELENKER Upright Rollator Walker with Seat. The ELENKER Upright Rollator Walker offers stable support and comfortable mobility with an ergonomic upright design. It features smooth wheels, adjustable handles, and a built-in seat for resting anytime. Perfect for safe, independent movement both indoors and outdoors. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more useful product finds. Thanks for watching.